Hi Fixer family, it's Charmin, and on today's video I'm going to be bringing you this super cute, easy, simple flag post with a solar light on top. Now guys, you can use this beside your pool, you can use it on your front walkway, wherever you would like to put this outside. We're going to be using it with our camper, but this is so easy, so fun to make, and I know that you guys are going to absolutely love it. Welcome to Fixin' 2. So here's what we're going to need for this project. I will make sure that I list all of these items down below. We're going to need one umbrella stand, this one from Walmart for $19.88. I'm going to be using a solar light, 2 pieces of 1-inch PVC pipe cut at 10.5 inches, and 1 piece of 1-inch PVC cut at 6 inches, 1 piece of 1-inch PVC cut at 31 inches, 3 pieces of 1/2-inch PVC cut at 14 inches, 3 T's, and 3 caps. So let's get started. Alright, taking our 31-inch cut piece, we're going to go ahead and place it down into our stand, and then I go ahead and secure that into place with the screws that are a part of this stand. Now this stand is about 30 pounds weight to it, and so this is going to be perfect for what we're using it for. So then we're going to take one of our T's, and these T's are 1-inch to 1/2-inch T's, and then we're going to take a 10.5 piece of our PVC, and then another T. We'll place that going in the opposite direction of the first one that you put on. And once you get that on there, then you're going to take your second piece of 10.5-inch PVC and place that in there. And then, of course, putting your third T at the top in the opposite direction of the second. Now this piece here, you get these with your solar lights when you purchase them. Again, I got mine at Walmart as well. And it comes with the light at the top and the little aluminum pipe with the little stake that you put into the ground. Now we're going to use both of these. We're going to take the stake, putting it into the top of our PVC piece, using a hammer to get it all the way down to that line right there. And it's a nice snug fit. Then you're going to take your piece of aluminum and you're going to cut off about 2-inch piece. Really easy to cut. And then you'll put that 2-inch piece on the top there, and then of course place your light onto the top of it. And that's what it looks like. And I do wind up cutting this piece down to the 6.5-inch piece. So then you're going to take your 14-inch cut 1/2-inch PVC, and we're going to take the little caps that go on them, and this is just to give it a nice finished look, and it also helps keep the flags on there from sliding off super easy. We're not gluing anything down, and we're just going to take our pieces of the 1/2-inch piece, put it into our T's, and you can kind of see now how this works with where you're going to put your flags. Then we're just going to take some of our Rustoleum American Accents spray paint here that works great onto the plastic, and also our little spray can, little gun here. I love this thing. And we're just going to spray it, and I do wind up going back and putting a second coat on here just to make sure that I got real good coverage. And we just bending down, getting all the places and getting it good and covered. And guys, that is really super simple, easy to do, and really makes an awesome statement. I love the way this turned out, and we are going to absolutely love this with our camper. Well, Fixer family, I hope that you enjoyed this quick, fun, easy project as much as we did putting this thing together. The simple cuts that you make and then just putting it all together, painting it, and hanging your fun flags on it. And of course, you can make it with as many flags as you would like to put on it, 2, 4, whatever you want. As you see, we did 3. Well, I know that summer is kicking off. Kids are finally getting out of school. Summertime is here. I'm in my backyard right now just enjoying this summer evening, and I am so glad that you guys joined me today. But now, if this is the first time that you've joined me, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell on there to become a part of the Fixer family. We would love to have you. And always want you to know that you are absolutely amazing. And always remember to keep looking up, because that's where it all is. I'll see you on the next video.